This is a do-it-yourself video on collaborative requisitioning. This is not using guided buying. This is in a classic UI. And this will be to start the collaboration by creating a new requisition and immediately starting the collaboration process. This is a requisition with a non-catalog line, normal UI. Information has been added. $25,000, 100 quantity, 250 of building material. You should see the button, Enable Collaboration. Click on that. If a supplier was already on the requisition, it would have been in the invited section here. You can click on Change and add any other suppliers. I will add an Ariba Network supplier, status retail supplier, as well as adding another that's a light account supplier. Here we go. And at this point, I'm ready to go ahead and begin collaboration. Add it to cart, proceed to checkout, and then go ahead and make sure there's a title entered. All the other information looks good. And when you click on Show Approval, you should see the collaboration phase here, and then the post-collaboration approval, which is the normal approval flow that you would have built. Submit. So this requisition will go to submitted status first, and then it will immediately begin collaboration, and it will change to collaborating status. So right now, here it is. It's in submitted status, and then soon it will change as it sends out the email. We can see it's enabled. We can see the light account supplier. This is the light account supplier has received the email notification letting them know of that. So the light account supplier, they would click on this URL, and then from there, they would go into the Ariba network and they would begin the collaboration process. For the Ariba network supplier, they would see it right here. It is advanced equipment for $25,000. It would be on the network. So they can open it, and then they can go ahead and they can actually send emails back and forth. And this can also happen on the light supplier, on the light enabled supplier, because they're also going to be taken to the network and they will have the same exact functionality as a fully enabled supplier. I'm going to go ahead and respond with a proposal, give a $10 discount. Next, and go ahead and submit. So this vendor, status retail supplier, has sent information back to the agent that's in charge of doing the collaboration. So now when we open this requisition, we should see immediately, here we go, there's a green envelope. That means that they have received the proposal. Here it is, proposal received. They can actually click on it and accept the proposal, finish collaborating, and submit. And notice, and I will show you the price has changed to $240, so $24,000 total. It has updated the requisition line. It has updated it with the vendor that was selected. And now it is actually complete, the process. So now it will continue with approval, and upon full approval, the PO will generate just like a normal requisition, and then the PO will be sent to this supplier to actually go ahead and begin fulfilling the requisition. Note there's 3 categories of sourcing, and the one I showed is the tactical sourcing using the collaborative requisitioning. For medium purchases, you may want to use quick sourcing, which is taking the information from the requisition and sending it to sourcing. It's automated. You click on the quick sourcing button, and then within sourcing, you would use a quick sourcing template. Upon completion, you would, again, after a word from within sourcing, that information will come back and update the requisition. And then for the large purchases, you would use strategic sourcing, a full-fledged projects, much larger events, lots of features and functionalities using the sourcing tool.